So here's the circuit we're working with. We have a 5-volt DC power supply, which is going to a 1.4 mega ohm is what's on here, but I'm using a 1.5 mega ohm in the circuit. And then here we have a digital input with 0 to 5 volts. And then here's our leak sensor. And then here's the ground. So when we look over here at the circuit, we have a 5-volt power supply. 5-volt power supply is going to the top of the 1.5 mega ohm resistor, which is right here, which is the same as that we have here. And then for the DAC, basically I'm jumping off of that. I'm doing a 10K ohm because that's the internal impedance of that input, and that's connected to the output on the meter here. And then from that, we're going to the leak sensor, which is right here, sitting on the paper towel. And we can see that at the moment we have 4.56 volts. And then we'll put the leak sensor into water, and we're going down to 0.74 ohms. And it'll probably keep dropping as time goes on. Now we're going to pull the leak sensor back out of the water. We're going to dry it off. See if I can get it onto the dry part of the towel here. And it goes back up, and it's going to continue to, let me just get the tab clean of the water here. There we go. Wiped it on my shirt. And now we're back up at the 4.56. Now, you can see that even a little bit of water, if we put this in the, it takes some time to dry, so even the moisture in this paper towel that I've been using will cause the circuit to go low. So it takes a very small amount of moisture to get the circuit to operate. But we're back at 4.56 volts, and now we'll dunk it back into the water, and we go down to 0.6. Now we'll just shake it off this time. We're over the 2.5 volt threshold, and then as this thing continues to dry, I'm going to wipe it on my shirt again. We go back up. There it is. So this circuit appears to work. 5-volt power supply. So nice job.